4 green onions, hey guys and gals out there, this is RockinRaffi, and you're watching another edition of RockinRaffi's Home Cooking. If you're here for the first time, I want to welcome you to my channel, and don't forget to click that little subscribe button right down below. And in today's episode, we're going to make a simple Asian-style carrot salad. This one's easy to make, and it's the perfect summer-side dish that will go along with any lunch or dinner course that you have set on your table. And without further ado, if you're ready, I'm ready, it's time to get on the salad. In a large bowl, whisk together a 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, squeeze the juices of 2 limes, add 2 tablespoons of honey, add 2 teaspoons of fish oil, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, and stir with a wire whisk and place in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. Now let's add the carrots, 1/4 cup of edamame, and the green onions into the dressing mix and toss it all together until well coated. Top it off with chopped peanuts, and here it is, the Asian carrot salad. Let's dive in and see how good the taste of Asia is. Wow, the flavors that are coming right out of this dish is amazing. It's like all of Asia put together with the sesame oil, the honey, the fish oil, all combined together. Just tastes so good. The edamame, the carrots, and the green onions add another flavor to this entire dish. And the flavors are just mind-blowing. This dish, it's cool and refreshing. After eating this, my vision's definitely gonna improve. For sure, with all the vitamin A that's packed into these carrots, not to mention vitamin K, potassium for blood pressure control, and vitamin B6 for energy. All packed into one amazing, appetizing dish. This is packed with all these nutrients, and you know what? It's not going to stay on that dinner table for very long. I guarantee you that. Well, that just wraps up today's episode. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, share with your friends and family, and that bell. Click on that bell so that you're notified when my next videos upload. And until next time, keep on rocking!